My name is Swapneel Dey and I am a class 7 student from VBPS Noida. On the occasion of this year's Father's Day, I wrote a poem for my dad. The title of the poem is Dad. I'm gonna recite it. Dad. A dad is a person who is loving and kind. And often he knows what do you have in your mind. He is someone who listens, suggests and defends. A dad can be one of your very best friends. He is proud of your triumphs. But when things go wrong, a dad can be patient and helpful and strong. In all that you do, your dad's love plays a part. There's always a part for him, deep into your heart. And every year that passes, you are ever more glad, more grateful and proud just to call him your dad. Thank you, Dad, for giving and sharing. And thanks for loving and caring. Thank you, and I hope you like my poem. Bye.